Oil and gas robotics are transforming the industry through inspections, maintenance, drilling, and infrastructure monitoring all operations. As operators face increasing pressure to improve safety, reduce downtime, and extend the life of critical assets, robotic systems are becoming essential tools for performing tasks in hazardous and difficult to access environments. From autonomous pipeline inspection robots and remotely operated subsea vehicles to robotic drilling systems and refinery maintenance platforms, these technologies enhance operational efficiency while minimizing human exposure to risk. Engineers rely on accurate sensor data to validate and evaluate mobility systems, and verify the performance of inspection equipment. Interface measurement solutions provide the precision and durability needed to improve robotic and support the next generation of automated oil and gas operations. Interface force measurement solutions deliver critical feedback for robotic navigation, cable tension monitoring, structural load measurement, gripping force control, and equipment interaction. By providing precise force and torque data with their various types of force measurement products including load cells, torque transducers, multi-axis sensors, and wireless telemetry systems, interface sensors help engineers optimize robotic performance, validate system reliability, and ensure safe operation throughout the oil and gas lifecycle.